Check this out, super special project for Snow Country Limo. We had a requirement, hey, we want to carry 3 or more bikes, but they have to be individually removed without any interference with each other. They didn't want the tilt. And basically, what can you do with the span we have? So custom bumper, a little different spacing setup than the winter carry system that we did for them. But what we did is these individual solos. What's important about these are adjustable from 3 to 5 inches basket sizes on the fly pretty much, and with the kick out and the low bar that pushes out the rack. Super short main beams, so it's gonna put the top of this at a very easy height to load and unload, and basically having a removable pin is going to make it super easy to roll that wheel right in without even have to lift the bike. You just pop the wheelie, get that in, and then those pins allows you to adjust for 26, 27, and 29er bikes. This is the solo project we've been playing with for a while. These baskets are super sturdy. They can mount on top of the vertical post. They can mount over the top bar itself. We are going to start production here in a minute. We've been building onesie twosies for the orders, but haven't done any production. This is our triple bumper, or this is our triple receiver bumper that we designed for them. A little wider stance because you got to assume worst case scenario with 32-inch handlebars clearing 3 bikes. That's basically the spacing. Little overkill, but the requirements are requirements, and we are 100% compliant. Again, you're gonna see this driving from Salt Lake to Park City many times over and over with bikes on.